Ever wondered how a car motor works? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. The heart of the car, the internal combustion engine, is a mechanical marvel. It starts with the intake stroke, where the piston moves down, sucking in air and a drop of gasoline. Next, the compression stroke. The piston moves up, squashing the fuel-air mixture. Then, it's time for the power stroke. A spark ignites the mix, creating a mini explosion that drives the piston down, turning the crankshaft. Finally, the exhaust stroke. The piston moves up, pushing out the exhaust gases. And there you have it. 4 strokes, 1 cycle. That's how your car motor beats. Remember, it's intake, compress, power, exhaust, the rhythm of the road. Join us again for more bite-sized wisdom. Over and out.